Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I am Teacher Patrick. So today is our day 9 of the best social media platform every teacher should use to grow faster online. Yes, the best. So I'm going to list them out from there. I start giving a breakdown on how you can use them or what is the function of using this social media app I'm going to list for you. Okay, so now one of them is Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, WhatsApp. So let's start with the first one, Facebook. Now, listen very well. Facebook, great for reaching parents, students, teachers, and building an educational community. So Facebook, you can use it to reach parents, build your educational what? Community. You grow your community. You have followers, people who comment and people who like what you do. And you get 2 or 3 gigs for it. And that's how you make your own money as a teacher. Now let's go to 2. 2 is YouTube. YouTube, best for detailed lesson. If you want to do a longer video, 2 hours, 3 hours video, go for YouTube. Best for detailed lesson, tutorials. If you want to hold tutorials, go for YouTube. Practical demonstration. If you want to demonstrate on any experiment or something that you feel that you want to show the public, go to YouTube. Do it. Go to YouTube as a teacher. Building long-term authority. Long-term authority. Because those videos will remain there. So far, you're able to create a playlist for those videos. So those videos will remain there. Okay, so now let's go to 3. 3 is TikTok. Useful for short, engaging educational video. Take note, short, a minute video. You want to explain a concept within a minute, you upload a minute video, 30 seconds video, you want to explain something. As a teacher, I just want to use 30 seconds to explain it. You want to use a minute to explain it, go for TikTok. Yes, go for TikTok. Most people are striving on TikTok. Some people made it through TikTok before they venture into other social media platform. Okay, and reaching new audiences quickly. If you want to reach out to people quickly, and TikTok is basically the young ones. So as you are growing your career in online, you can also use TikTok for a faster way to reach your audience. So let's go to 4. Instagram, good for reels, educational graphics, personal branding, connecting with younger audience. They see you make use of what? Instagram, good for reels, educational graphics. Now, if you go to Instagram, you notice people on Instagram, if you look at most of the content, is basically photo and video content. If you look at it very well, photo and video content. The videos there are always top notch. For those of you who use Instagram, you can testify to what I'm saying. It's always top notch. Okay, now educational graphic, you design graphics that is appealing to the eyes, that your audience will like to what? Will like to patronize you. So far, the content you place inside the graphics is okay. Connecting with younger audience. So younger audience are also there. So the last one, which I know that everybody use it, which I know that almost everybody have it on their phone, and that one is called WhatsApp. WhatsApp, excellent for building direct relationship. So this time around, if somebody have your contact, definitely the person has a direct way of reaching you. Even if it doesn't reach you through Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, direct way of reaching you, direct to your phone, testing you direct, you get the message sharp. Now, for building direct relationship, creating learning communities, you can create a group there, input your details there and what you do, and you start posting your educational videos on it. And converting followers into students. Create a link, place it on any of the social media platform I mentioned earlier. They click on the link, direct you to the WhatsApp. You chat with them. If they like your idea, you add them to the group, or you create a channel on WhatsApp for them. And anything that involving educational videos, you post it there. Before you know it, before you know it, 2 or 3 persons may make a query. They like your what you do, and they're interested in it. And then you start making your own what? Your own money from it. Now, all these things are the social media platform every teacher should use to grow faster. If you want to grow online, use it. If you want to have anything that has to do with online classes, you want to grow online, you want to make money, this social media platform, these are the tools you use as a teacher. So with this now, I'm able to what? Give you an idea, the social media platform you will need to get as a teacher. So please, as your humble teacher Patrick, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. See you next time again. Bye bye.